Hello friends, today I am going to talk about relationship. Whether you are doing job, you are doing business, you are part of a family, you are talking to your friends, what is the one most critical component of relationship? What is the most critical component of the relationship? Obviously, it is trust. So let's today talk about trust. In a simple manner, trust is equal to relationship, is equal to money. Without trust, no relationship, no money. And you know, trust is like an eraser. If you are breaking a trust, you cannot restore it well. So we have to be very careful when we are dealing with the trust. Now the next question comes that how I can create a trust. How I can do it. So if you would like to create a trust around it, there are few critical components which you need to add on. The first is you should have a capabilities to manage the relationship. Technically, emotionally, you have to manage the relationship. Second, you have to stay with your words. You have to support the relationship emotionally, physically, right? You have to be reliable enough. Someone can come to you and counter you that yes, it is Sameer, definitely, certainly going to support me. He cannot do anything bad for me. This trust also requires openness. When you say openness, it's very important that we know about each other. There are no hidden things between our trust relationship. Even if there is a mistake, we have to ensure that we go to that person and say that I have done this mistake. That will create a trust around it. Integrity is another part. And then a respect for each other. It is more difficult when you are in a workplace environment and when you are working with a remote team. Because that time you are not getting a face-to-face, which is one of the easiest and fastest way to build a trust. So what we need to do it? First thing, we have to be very fair and respect for the other thoughts. In the early stage itself, we have to ensure that we listen to each other. If there is a differences, we cohesively listen each other and do best what is required as an organization. We should be ethical enough. We have to ensure that anything which we are doing as per the book so that people can trust it. We have to be represented as a single team outside. So any difference is there. When you go outside the team, you should not raise those differences there. Those differences should be sorted out, should be solved internally within the team around it. If we give a right reliability, right opportunity within team, we are honest enough. If there is some challenges, we have to ensure we have a courage to tell them on the faces because it seems wrong. It may be a problem. It will give you a credit around it. As an organization, this trust is the only thing which help you out to create a brand and get an additional money. Friends, you have to ensure that there would be a trust created for you in your each and every relationships. And if you can build the trust, it's one of the greatest soft skill around it. If in case you are facing some challenges on trust within your team or within your organization, do let us know and we can probably help you out to sort it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.